It takes multiple businesses to create multiple streams of income. Wrong. That is a myth. That's a huge myth that I am going to debunk today. In fact, it is very detrimental for you to start multiple businesses at the same time because you won't be able to dedicate enough time to one business for it to thrive if you're focused your energy on multiple different businesses at the same time. Okay, so I'm Alex Otto. I help people start and scale their car rental business. In this video, we're gonna bust the myth of multiple businesses to create multiple passive income streams. And I'll show you what you need to actually do to create passive income stream. And you can do multiple passive income streams in the same business, believe it or not. Okay, and this is something that I have implemented in my business, and I'm gonna show you how to implement in yours. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button so that it can help more people start generating income streams. Let's get right into the video. So the way you actually do this is by mastering one business first, right? The key here is mastering one business first. One skill, one business can absolutely change your life. The problem that most people have is that when they start a business, they have a lot of fear. So they think that if they start multiple businesses, they're more likely to succeed because if one fails, they can rely on another. The problem with that is that it takes a lot of time, energy, and money and resources to start one business. So if you are limited in your time, energy, and resources, well, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to allocate enough to multiple businesses for them to actually thrive, unless you already have a team and you already have people, multiple people that you can work with that have multiple resources to pull from. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about for the solopreneurs, people that are starting on their own. It's just you, your laptop against the world. What you need to understand is that if you're in that situation, if you're the solopreneur, you need to just start with one. Start with one business and master it. For me, I was able to master the car rental business. This business completely changed my life. Why? Because I was able to spend 3 years doing nothing but car rentals. Do you think that if you spent the next year doing one thing, car rentals, that you wouldn't be good at it? Do you think that if you spent 2 years doing that, you wouldn't be great at it? And do you think that if you spent more than 3 years doing it, you wouldn't be one of the best at it? That's the principle here. That's the knowledge and understanding I'm trying to transfer over to you. You want to be one of the best at one thing first. And here's the beautiful thing of being the best at one thing. You can make money doing that one thing. You can make money making content doing that one thing, which is what I'm here doing with you today. You can teach people how to do that one thing and make money, right? You can get brand deals, sponsorships, and partners doing that one thing. So that's 4 streams of income that I've just mentioned right there off the top of my head, okay? And I'm sure that there is more, all right? So you can create multiple streams of income in one business, in one skill, if you master that skill. The problem is that people don't allocate enough time to one thing to completely master it. They either quit too early because they went through a difficult patch, or they spread their energy and resources across multiple things that they don't allocate enough to master one, right? And when that happens, it becomes very, very easy to get discouraged. I'll give you an example. When I started my car rental business, I only did the car rental business. I only started with one car in the car rental business. After my first year, right, I went from 1 to about 4 cars, okay? And it took me 12 months to do that. Now, in the second year, I lost 2 cars. In the first 3 months of the year, I lost 2 cars back to back. So I went from 4 to 2 cars, okay? It took everything from me to be able to recover from that. That was my very first business lesson in losing. And it took everything to be able to recover from that. And if I was spreading my resources across other businesses, I would never have recovered from that. And I would never have found success in the car rental business. So when you're starting a business, you will go through losses, okay? That is a normal part of the process, okay? The problem is that most people are not willing to go through losses. They want everything to be smooth and right out from start to finish. And I'm here to tell you that will almost never happen, okay? Even if you want to get into heaven, you have to lose your life. You always have to lose something to gain something that you want. All right. So that is just a very basic life principle. Now, let's talk about the multiple streams of income. Once you have mastered the one skill and you can branch out into 4 or 5 different streams of income in that specific skill, now you have enough money coming in. Now it's time to delegate. Okay. Now you have to start hiring employees and or creating systems that can free up your time, because your time is going to be the most valuable resource. Okay. Once you've mastered it, you can start teaching people how to do it. You can start having employees, and then you can free up your time. And now you can go and venture into other businesses and other things because you have more time. You've been able to create a system and a business that can make money without you, right? And now you can go and take that and jump into something else. And you would use the exact same principles when you go to the next thing. Okay, you focus on that one thing up until you can master it, right? You can break it off into 4 or 5 different streams of income. You can hire people to delegate, save your time, pull yourself out, and then go on to the next thing. We see this with especially some of the highest level entrepreneurs. Jeff Bezos spent 10 years building Amazon by himself. 10 years to build Amazon. Amazon wasn't profitable anywhere along that time up until recently. Amazon was profitable. We see that with other companies like Uber. Okay? These companies understand that it takes all the resources and all the time when you're starting something brand new. And this is something that I want my audience to understand. I want you guys to understand that it is going to take everything. Okay? It is going to take everything. You want to be successful, it's going to take everything. You're going to have to be a new person. You're going to go through a transformation. You're going to go through pain, suffering. You're going to go through frustration. But you also, if you're able to stick through it, you will also go through the happiness and the joy and the success, right? You will get that, and it will be worth it. It will be worth all the pain and the suffering, right? So in life, there's no light without dark. There's no yin without yang. So that's what I wanted to communicate over to you guys. When it comes to creating multiple passive streams of income, it's about mastering one, breaking it off into multiple streams of income inside that one, delegating, creating systems, freeing up your time so that that one still runs even without you, and then moving on to the next thing. That's how you create a lot of money. That's how you create a lot of wealth. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're serious about starting and scaling a car rental business, you want to generate streams of income for yourself, for your family, make sure you join the free Facebook community. We will be opening up our mentorship very, very soon. So you will see all of that in our Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.